everybody! Many of you are asking to me for more information about the CAMBox. So I thought I'd make an unboxing video. The CAMBox is CAM's Wonder Pack. If you don't know how in detail CAM can improve your battery's performance, this book will help you understand it better and in a simple way. Inside there are an educational materials and that talk about lead oxide and how to produce it efficiently. The first booklet I recommend you read is this, the CAMBox Ladder. Then there is a technical booklet which goes into details about lead oxide. Inside there is a lead oxide analysis carried out by a university. And finally we have a special gift, but I can't show to you. Otherwise, what kind of Wonder Pack is it? So, how can you receive your CAMBox? Just click on the link below, fill out the form and then you will see. Till the next time, ciao!